Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM. Ready and start. At the same time, the court noted that the officers had not produced medical certificate before the magistrate at the time of remand. Full stop. The court noted that though the officers had produced an outpatient receipt before the commission, it neither had the doctor's sign nor the hospital's seal. Full stop. The court further noted that though the SHRC had passed the order in 2018, the officers who were affected by the order had not chosen to challenge the same until the government passed the order, accepting the recommendations. Full stop. The court thus opined that there was no reason to interfere with the order of the commission or the government order passed by the state and dismissed the petitions. Full stop. Stanza. The court discussed the definition and scope of commercial disputes under section 2 within bracket 1 within bracket C of the Act, noting that it provides for agreements relating to immovable property used exclusively in trade and commerce. Full stop. However, the court further clarified that in order to find out whether a dispute is commercial or not, there should be a conjoined reading of section 2 within bracket 1 within bracket C within bracket 7, 2 within bracket 1 within bracket 1 and 12. Full stop. Thus, the bench noted that only appeals, suits, or applications related to commercial disputes of a specified value are to be tried by commercial courts. Full stop. Relying on the Supreme Court's decision on Ambalal Sarabhai Enterprises Limited versus KS Interspace LLP, the court reiterated that only disputes that clearly meet the definition under section 2 within bracket 1 within bracket C should be tried in commercial courts. Full stop. A purposive and strict interpretation of the act was deemed necessary to ensure that only genuine high value commercial matters are fast tracked. Full stop. If the provisions are given a liberal interpretation, the object behind constitution of commercial division of courts, namely putting the matter on fast track and speedy resolution of commercial disputes, will be defeated. Full stop. The object shall be fulfilled only if the provisions of the act are interpreted in a narrow sense and not hampered by the usual procedural delays plaguing our traditional legal system. Full stop. Relying on the interpretation by the Supreme Court, the court emphasized that the term used exclusively in trade and commerce must be interpreted as actually used, not likely to be used or intended to be used. Full stop. Therefore, if the use of the property for trade is incidental or unsubstantiated at the time of the agreement, the commercial court cannot assume jurisdiction. Full stop. Merely because shoot shop is being used for running business, comma, the question of eviction from said shoot shop would not become commercial dispute, full stop and over. So ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी 80 WPM की। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।